How to change your privacy settings on RedNote. This tutorial will show you how to control who can see your profile, posts, and other account information. First, open the RedNote app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on three-line icon on top left corner. Then select Settings on the bottom right corner. From here, open Privacy Settings. This is where you can manage your RedNote account privacy and customize who can interact with your profile. Here, you'll find several privacy options, including how to find me, recommend people I may know, and other settings that let you control how your account appears to other users. If you want additional privacy, tap Protection Mode. From here, you can enable extra privacy features to better protect your account and limit unwanted interactions. Simply turn on the options that match your preferences. After making your changes, you can go back. RedNote saves all privacy settings automatically, so there's no need to tap a Save button. That's it! You've successfully updated your RedNote privacy settings and customized your account for a more secure and private experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.